I'm going to show you how you can mine cryptos on Streamer Live Simulator 2 in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So all you need to do, for example, if you go to crypto by default, you will see that you have no crypto, and if you open the mining application, you will see that it doesn't detect any device. But there are no mining devices on Samazor right here, the shopping application. So to buy it, you need to press M to open the map, and you will see the crypto miner right here. So it's right here, and so you will need to go with your vehicle. In my case, I have this bike. So I'm gonna go and get back to you once I'm here. Okay, so now I'm here, and you will see this NPC, and you can buy a lot of different things. So you can buy rig cases like this one, which you can take with you. So I'm gonna drop it to my inventory, and then you can buy those miners as well. So basically with the rig cases, you will need to buy graphic cards, and with these bit miners, you can mine cryptos just by purchasing them. So I'm gonna take a few bit miners and take them home. Okay, so now I'm here at my house, and all you need to do is open your inventory, and I'm gonna put some bit miners, so you can build them wherever you want close to your computer. So I'm just gonna put them like right here. I'm not gonna put the rig cases because those will need the graphic cards, and I don't have them right now. So after that, you can go to the mining application, and it will automatically detect your devices. So you can start mining, and now it will mine. In my case, I have 4 devices to mine, so it will automatically start getting crypto coins. And with those, you can go to crypto right here and sell them for money. So this is the amount of coins I have. I can set all the amount, and in just those seconds I made $4. So that's it. I can leave them mining on autopilot and then sell the crypto for money. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.